Origin cards eyes. Hello everyone, this is Daddy JP and Teresa TV. This is the eyes of Origin cards. The update. The atmosphere is electric. Just how close to Origin are we? While we let that simmer and marinate, we have our final set of Origin cards, the eyes. This is the first time in Axie's 4-year history that eyes will have their own cards. Again, please note that cards are dynamic and will change over time based on feedback from the community and data we collect around relative power. Do not make market decisions based on these teasers. They are meant to serve as a taste of what's to come in Origin and allow you all to start your recrafting. Many of you requested high-resolution copies of the artworks. We have compiled a drive with the art here. Without further ado, here are Origin's eye cards. The plant, a puppy. Target any ally whenever this is drawn. Heal 20 HP. Confusion. Shuffle one confused into your opponent's discard file. Cucumber Slice. Heal your team and apply 5 healing boost. Needs 2 energy. And then there's a 0 energy is Blossom. Put one plant card from your draw pile into your hand and banish. And Reptile. There's a 0 energy. Gecko. This actually loses 50 HP. Heal and cleanse 1 debuff on other allies. Nice. Tricky. If initial, swap this card with a selected card in your banish file. This is also a 0 energy. Scar. Put 1 repel card from your draw pile into your hand. Banish. Topaz. Deal 10 bonus damage per your banish card. Nice. Beast. There's a 0 energy. Zeal. Put 1 beast card from your draw pile into your hand. Little Piece. Apply vulnerable for 4 turns. 0 energy. Puppy. Put 1 beast card from your discard pile into your hand. Needs 2 energy. Chubby. Attack all enemies. What? No, this is the nice card ever. Bug. 0 energy. Bookworm. Put 1 bug card from your draw pile into your hand. 0 energy. Nerdy. Discard up to 2 cards, then draw that many. Neo. Look at the top 4 cards of your opponent's draw pile. Kotaro. Attack 1 random enemy and apply death mark for 4 turns. Nice. In card. In aquatic cards, there's a Sleepless. Shuffle 1 days into your opponent's discard file. There's a 0 energy. Clear. Discard up to 2 cards, then draw that many. Garo. Apply Fragile for 4 turns. And there's also a 0 energy. Telescope. Put 1 aquatic card from your draw pile into your hand. Bird. Mavis. Summon 1 Mavis. There's a 0 energy. Locust. Put 1 bird card from your draw pile into your hand. Little Owl. All Little Owl cards of this Axie gain 6 damage this battle. Robin. Summon a little Robin. I think that's it. I think this is the final cards and Origin. Hope you like my video. Please don't forget like and subscribe. This is Daddy GP and Teresa TV. Bye.